Hi everybody, welcome back. We're going to make these beautiful bandages. Let's make it. We're going to cut a shape, paste stickers on it, and then we're going to paste another transparent sheet. After that, you can put a cotton like this. You can wrap it and look, it is ready. You can make cut on it. Look at these cute multicolored toffees. Let's make it. Got a rectangular sponge. We are doing multicolor on it using sketch pen, and look, it is ready. After this, we are going to wrap it using a transparent sheet like this and tie it using rubber band from both its ends. Paste stickers, and look, it is ready. Hello and welcome back. Look at this cute little toy. Let's make it. We are going to paste two circles together like this and paste colorful yarn around it using double-sided tape, and look, it is ready. We are going to paste a circle on it using this and then paste sticker on it as well, and look, it is ready. You can put colorful balls inside it and decorate it like this, and look, it is ready. Let's make these cute little pouches. We are going to remove the wire, then fold it from both its sides and paste it using double-sided tape like this. After that, we are going to decorate it by pasting all these frills on the top like this, and look, it is almost ready. Now we are adding more details, like we are securing it more by the tape like this and paste stickers on it, and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful hand fan. Look how pretty these are looking. So take a printed craft paper and start folding it. Make many folds like this. Again fold it like we are doing here. You can paste more such papers together using glue stick. Then we are going to make the cover by folding this pink craft paper. Fold all of them and paste it like this. You can also put stickers on them, and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful crown. Take a piece of paper and start folding it. We are folding this square printed paper. Make more such papers, and then we are going to paste all of them one after another using glue. Fold it, and look, your crown is ready. You can add more decorations like pearls, and it's done.